Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our today's GK class. Students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Are you ready for our today's GK class? Ready? Very good. Now, all of you, please take your GK text and take the page number 30. Today, we will learn about 4 topics in our general knowledge. First one, famous animals, page number 30. Second one, Animal Farm, page number 31. Then, Fruit Message, page number 32. And the last one, Plant Fun, page number 33. Children, firstly, we will do page number 30. That is, famous animals. What is? Famous animals. Read the clues that describe these animals from stories and rhymes. Circle the correct pictures. Students, here we have to read the clues, that is the option, and name the animals from the famous stories and rhymes. These animals are of some famous stories or rhymes. According to the clues, we have to circle the animal's picture. Okay? Are you ready? Now please listen. What's our first question? I am a small animal. Once I saved a big lion. Children, which animal is this? Do you know? Is it cat or mouse? Yes, it is mouse. Mouse is a small animal. Once it saved a big lion. Okay? And do you know? This is from which story? It is The Lion and the Mouse. Okay? So here the answer is mouse. So you have to circle it. Okay. Then our second question. I scared away little Miss Muffet. She was eating curd and whey. Children, which animal or insect is this? Yes, it is spider. Spider scared away little Miss Muffet. She was eating curd and whey. And do you know? This is from which rhyme? Yes, it is from Little Miss Muffet. So here the answer is spider. So you have to circle it. Okay. Then third one. I am small but clever. I saved all animals from a hungry lion. Students, which animal or bird is this? Yes, it is rabbit. Rabbit is a small animal but clever. It saved all animals from a hungry lion. Now tell me, this is from which story? I will tell. This from Foolish Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Okay. So here the answer is a rabbit. So you have to circle it. Then our fourth question. I am very slow. Yet I ran a race with the hare and won it. Students, tell me, you know the answer. Which animal or insect is this? Yes, it is tortoise. Tortoise is very slow. Yet it ran a race with the hare and won it. Isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, which story is this? Yes, the tortoise and the hare. Isn't it? Yes. So here the answer is tortoise. So you have to circle it. Okay. Then, fifth question. I am a bird. My friends saved themselves by flying away with the net. Children, which bird is this? Is it pigeon or hen? Yes, it is pigeon. So, you have to circle it. Okay? Do you know which story is this? Yes, it is Hunter and Pigeon. Then look here, sixth question. I once went to London to look at the queen. Which is the correct answer here? Is this cat or tortoise? Yes, it is cat. This cat once went to London to look at the queen. Now tell me, which rhyme is this? Yes, pussycat, pussycat. Isn't it? Yes. So here the answer is cat. So you have to circle it. Students, let us move on next page. Page number 31. Animal farm. Okay? Look here. Animal farm. Like we live in our house, even animals live in their house. Okay? Look here. This is an animal farm. Fill in the blanks with the names of the animals' homes. Listen here. Choose words from the roof of the house. Children, here we have to fill in the blanks with the names of the animals' homes. Okay? We have to choose the words from the roof of the house. Okay? Firstly, let us read the options given in the roof. Look here. Pond, tree, hole, nest. So, these are the words given in the roof. Let us look at this first picture. Look here. What can you see here? Yes, baby birds. Where do birds live? Yes, in a nest. So you have to write here nest. N-E-S-T. We live in a nest. Then I live on a. Look here, who's this? Yes, monkey. Where does monkey live? Yes, of course, tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. So you have to write here tree. Okay? The next one. Who are these? Yes, ducks. Where do ducks live? Yes, in a pond. P-O-N-D. So you have to write here P-O-N-D, pond. Okay? Then next one. Look here. Who's this? Yes, snake. Where does snake live? Yes, of course, in a hole. Look here. In a hole. H-O-L-E. Hole. So you have to write here hole. Okay? Now let us read these sentences along with the answers. Okay? Baby birds. We live in a nest. Monkey. I live on a tree. Ducks. We live in a pond. Snake. I live in a hole. Okay? Children, same way we can see more animals living in their house. Let us look at them. Okay? Look here. Cow lives in a shed. S-H-E-D. Shed. Cow lives in a shed. Then, look here. Hen. Hen lives in a Yes, coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Then, horse. Where does horse live? Yes, stable. Horse lives in a stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Okay. Now let us see. It's a fact. Look here. What does mummy write with? Tell me. What does mummy write with? Yes, pen. Isn't it? Children, when you write, what do you use? Yes, pen. Now look here. Do you know that the sheep's home is also called a pen? Yes, this is sheep's home, which is called a pen. Okay? Now let us move on next page. Page number 32. Children, our next topic is fruit message. Here, in this topic, we will learn about fruits. Children, do you like fruits? Yes, everyone likes fruits, isn't it? Yes. Do you know, we get so many things from fruits like vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. We should eat fresh fruits to keep ourselves healthy. It keeps you away from many kinds of diseases. Okay? So children, let us start part A. Look here. Help Bunny to complete the names of these fruits. Children, here we can see so many fruits, isn't it? Here we have helped Bunny to complete the names of these fruits. Okay, are you ready? Now please listen. Tell me, which fruit is this? Yes, papaya. P is already written here, isn't it? So, what we have to write here is A, P, A, Y, A. Papaya. Okay? Then next one. What is this? Which fruit is this? Yes, watermelon. Spelling Watermelon. Okay, then next one. It is, yes, apple. Spelling Apple. Apple. Okay, then next one. Grapes. GE are already written here. So, what we have to write is RAPS. GRAPES. Grapes. Okay, then next one. Do you know which fruit is this? It is lychees. Spelling LYCHEES. Okay, then next one. What is this? Yes, cherries. Spelling CHERRIES. Okay. So once again, all of you please listen. Papaya, watermelon, apple, grapes, lychees, cherries. Okay, let us move on our part B. Now look here, part B. Now write the letters of the numbered boxes in the boxes below. Children, here what we have to do is the above fruit names which we have completed, can you see numbers? Yes. So, in which have a number alphabets are written, that alphabet we have to fill here in the below boxes. Okay. According to the numbers, we have to write the correct alphabet. Okay, so let us start. Look here. First alphabet is, what is? Yes, F. First alphabet is F. Now rest we have to do according to the numbers. We have to write the correct letters. Look here. In number 1, where is number 1? Yes. In number 1, which alphabet is here? It is W-A-T-E-R. Which alphabet is here? R. So you have to write here R. Okay. Then next one U. Then number 2. In number 2, which alphabet is here? Look here. Where is 2? Number 2. Yes. Which alphabet is here? Cherries. C-H-E-R-R-I. Which alphabet is here? I. So you have to write here I. Okay. Then number 3. Where is 3? Look here. 3. Yes. W-A-T. So you have to write here T. Then number 4. Where is number 4? Yes. Which alphabet is here? G-R-A-P-E-S. Which alphabet is here? Yes. So you have to write here yes. Okay. Now the first word is completed. What is it? Look here. F-R-U-I-T-S. What is? Yes, fruits. Okay. Same way, all of you try to complete the rest of these. Okay. Now please listen. What message did you get? I will tell you. What message did you get from here? Please listen. Fruits are good for health. Once again. Fruits are good for health. Okay. Now look here. Part C. Write the names of 4 other fruits in your notebook. Discuss your list with your partner. Children, here what you have to do is write 4 other fruits' name in your notebook. Okay. Now let us see. Tell Joe more. Look here. Mango or papaya is called the king of fruits. Circle the correct answer. Students, which fruit is called the king of fruits? Yes, very good. Mango. So you have to circle it. Okay, mango is called the king of fruits. Children, our next topic is plant fun. Look here. What picture is this? Yes, it is parts of plant. Isn't it? Here, what we have to do is we have to help Joe to label. Label means to write the names of the parts. Okay? We have to choose the words from the tree. Let us read which are given words. Look here. Stem, fruit, flower, leaf, roots. So, let us start. Children, like you need food to grow, similarly, even plants need sunlight, air and water to grow. Okay? Now look here. First and last is already done for you. That is sunlight and soil. Let us look at the left side. Which part of this? Is it is leaf. So you have to write LEAF, leaf, here. Okay. Then next one. Which part of this? Yes, it is roots. Look here. ROOTS, roots. So you have to write here roots. Okay. Then look here. What is this? Yes, fruits. FRUIT, fruit. So you have to write here fruit. The next one, flower. FLOWER, flower. Then last one, which part of this? Yes, it is stem. STEM. So you have to write here stem. Okay. So let us read the parts of a plant is once again. All of you please listen. Leaf, roots, fruit, flower, stem. Okay. Let us see. Tell Joe more. Fill in the banana leaf with the correct letters to get a fact about plants. What is? Fill in the banana leaf with the correct letters to get a fact about plants. Look here. Plants are. Children, which leaf is this? Yes, of course, it is a banana leaf. Let us fill the letters. Yes, look here. LVGTHNS. What is? Plants are? Yes, living things. LIVINGTHINGS. Living things. Okay? Once again, plants are living things. Okay? Now all of you please try to complete this. Students, now all of you please do your activities very well and send to me. Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next GK class. Till that time, all of you please stay at home and stay safely. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.